Hello students, today we are going to look into your grammar part, the rearrangement of the sentences. In other words, we can say rearrangement of the jumbled words. So this is one of the important aspect or according to the question paper, and not only that, in the point of exam point of view, it is very much important. It comes around 8 to 10 marks, so easily you can grab it. And in order to solve this, you need to know a basic formula. The basic formula is subject plus verb plus object. In certain case, it comes as subject plus main verb plus object. If you have a sentence with a question mark, then the sentence begins with the helping verb or the verb. So in other word, you can say, if you have a question mark or the interrogatory words, you can just begin with an sentence of helping verb. And so the next comes this subject. A subject, what is subject? A subject is a person or a thing which is being considered or shown, talked about. We can assume persons to be called as subject. And you have certain examples of subject. The example of the subjects are I, you, he, she, it. It's a singular form, and the plural form we, you, they, them, thou, and there are many things. So what we can basically do, keep in your mind about this concept. So now we can have the next option or the next part of the formula. We can note this subject, and then you have the object. What is an object? An object is a thing that can be seen and touched, but it's not alive. Obviously, we can assume that the non-living thing, in other words, simple words, we can say, they are considered to be object. So now we are going to look into the examples of the object. So when I'm saying example, you can easily assume what may be the examples of this. So let's look into the examples of the objects are toy, table, ball, chair, duster, doll, car, rod, fan, etc., and all. Even you can just assume you can have some other examples which are non-living things. So these are some of the examples. So now the example is on the screen. You can see the unsolved or the jumbled words are make spider web the air. So here spider is a subject, makes is an verb, helping verb, and web is the what you can say object. The spider is making the object. So here the first letter will be the spider, then the next will be making the web. Exact word is the spider makes a web. So this word, the jumbled words, is being transformed into a rearranged word. So this is how you can rearrange the words, and you yourself can practice and do it. That's all, students.